J-2024-1377-2. We're accessing the drain through a 4-inch cleanout tee located by the softener towards the back of the home. We are 100 feet on the camera counter, looking at the connection to the city main sewer. Sewer lateral is clay. Going up an offset, we're at the top of the offset for the change in elevation, leveling out. Piece of loose debris sitting in the pipe. Approaching entry into the house, we're passing through a solid mass that wants to sit there. Transitioning from clay to cast iron. Camera starting to eke through the mass. We can see the material change. As we pull back, the toilet paper and solids are kind of slurping back on the around where the camera was. See that happening here. Through the mass on the other side of it, got a lot of water sitting. We're going to push pause, see if we can stab at that to get a better view. Push pause for a moment to poke at the pulpy mass. The pulpy mass is now slid out of the way. We're at the material change from cast iron to clay. Right here on the top right of the screen we see a Y on its back. That would be the main cleanout located at the front of the home by the water meter at 37. So now we're entering into the home. So from 37, which is the front main cleanout, 37 to 43. So we get about 6 feet from the main cleanout out to where it transitions to clay. So the transition is taking place a few feet out in front of the yard, in front of the house in the yard. Upstream of that clean out, we can see the pipe makes a little bit of a change in direction angling towards our access point. See a lot of heavy scale and pitting. Bottom is kind of flat at this point. Y branch off to the left, that's our bathroom connection at 21. Again, continuing, seeing a lot of deep pitting in the pipe. Pathway of the pipe is starting to close in a bit. There's a lot of buildup here. And we have pooling water. This right here suggests that there's likely no bottom left to the pipe. As we slide forward, we hit against an edge, which is probably the end of where the pipe is deteriorated. And this pooling stays there. As we back up, we get a better view of it. Going up the base of the stack. Access through our PVC cleanout tee located next to the softener.